If you're a mom and you're overwhelmed, you feel like your life is repetitive because you're constantly doing the same things, cleaning the same spaces, tidying up constantly, remember that this is a sign that she feels safe in this space to play and have fun and make a mess.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line.
Hi amiga, welcome to our night routine. Today I felt like vlogging and yeah, so I thought like let me share with you my mommy night routine. Saffie and I went to do some errands, so I'm gonna give you like a little everything haul I guess. We got a bag of chips, we got these little sandwiches. If you live in the Netherlands or Belgium, these are from Albert Heijn. Saffie loves them so much. With like a peanut butter and jelly combination or just with some cheese. She loves it. She absolutely loves them. And they are whole grain, really good. So yeah, we love them too by the way. So I got a veggie mixture for some pasta. I'm gonna make pasta tonight. Got some pasta, cheese for in the pasta. Then I also got some stroopwafels. The other day I was talking to my sister on the phone and she was eating them. And I instantly started craving them. So got them. Got some peaches for Benny. Never a good idea to go grocery shopping when you're hungry, but I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I haven't had this in forever. So got some luncheon meat, got some chicken burgers, this hamburger sauce. I thought like, why not? These little raisin sandwiches Saffie loves so much as well. And we always give them to her. They're pretty healthy too. So got Saffie's milk. I always buy this at Medi Pharma, but here in Belgium. Saffie? Saffie? Come. Yeah, here in Belgium you can buy this at any pharmacy basically, but this is the one that she has. She's at number 3 now because she's turning into such a big girl and she drinks 2 to 3 bottles a day. Most of the time 2. This is the only cream that works for Saffie with her sensitive skin and it keeps her eczema free. So this is what I swear by. It is the La Roche-Posay Lipicar AP+N. I got her some more passies like the nighttime ones. These are glow in the dark. So much easier to find and to help her because every night she loses them. It's so much easier. Yeah, so much easier to find when you're sleepy yourself. So got that. Got these little wipey things. And I also got 3 packs of the cherry juice to make my sleep concoction because lately I haven't been sleeping that well and I need to fix that, you know? It's really important to be energized. It doesn't look that appetizing, so I'm not gonna show you that, but also got some meat. I'm gonna put all of this away and then I'll get back to you in a little bit. Amiga, Saffie is now down for a nap, which means it is my time to shine. It's time for me to tidy up, clean up, do the dishes, maybe cook. I'm gonna try to do as much as possible in this downtime. And yeah, I just I just finished up picking her up her toys for, I don't know, I think the third time today. Honestly, I get that sometimes it can be really, really repetitive to have to clean up the same things over and over and over. But at the same time, cleaning up her toys, to me, every time is just a reminder that she is real. She's my prayer that was answered. The girl is here, okay? And she's taking up her space as she should. She's a kid and she's supposed to do these things. So, just wanted to say that if you're a mom and you're overwhelmed, you feel like your life is repetitive because you're constantly doing the same things, cleaning the same spaces, tidying up constantly, and feeling like it's never coming to an end, because I know for sure that she's going to make a mess again when she wakes up from her nap. She will. But remember that this is a sign that she feels safe in this space to play and have fun and make a mess and do all her things. She's developing well. And that's just what that is, you know? And if you are a mommy that wanted a baby for so long, or you wanted a child for so long, then this is your reminder that they are here and they are real. Okay? Your prayer was answered. Your manifestation came true. I think I've said this before, but in my next house, amiga, I'm telling you, a dishwasher is a no-brainer. It is not up for discussion. No, it is not. I think my life is going to be so much easier if we have one, you know? But anyways, it's time for dishes. But I think first I need to hydrate. I did not drink like even one sip of water today. No, so I need to refill and do something about that, because that is not good. This is your cue to drink your water. If my sister knows that I'm drinking ice water again, she's gonna be mad at me. She told me, I don't know, she's on this side of TikTok that I am not on, but she heard on TikTok that ice water can cause Bell's palsy. Definitely don't want that, but it is hot today, so I don't know, I just like my water cold. She also told me that cold water can also like cause you to be congested and stuff, which I've kind of been, so thought it was allergies, but I don't know you. Cheers. I'm almost finished with the kitchen, and I also heard Saffie on the baby phone. I went and checked on her. She's not awake yet, but most of the time that means she's almost waking up. And that means I am running out of time, so I have to hurry. I found out that these things are not glow in the dark. I really don't think they are. They just looked similar to the ones that she already has, but they're not glow in the dark, which I'm really disappointed about because I bought them for that reason. So it would be really sad. And I opened the packaging, so won't be able to return them. This girl has so many passies. It's so, I don't know what to say about that. I don't know. Whew, these things are hot. I sterilized? I don't know what the word is in English, but I did that, okay? I did all the bottles, all the new passies, all of that. So the girl has clean bottles that she can drink out of. Now I need to make her a fruit dish, because most of the time when she wakes up from her nap, she gets like some kind of fruit. That's how they do it at daycare. So I want to like maintain that same routine in a little bit. But I don't have a lot of fruits. And I noticed that she is a little bit allergic to citrusy fruit. So she can't have any oranges which I have a lot of, so that's such a waste. But I'm gonna see and find what I have. I have an apple, and I also have like banana. And other than that, I think I have some grapes that she also likes. So we'll see what we can come up with. But yeah, that's the next thing.
It's Bambi, baby.
This is what I was able to come up with. Will she probably eat it all? No. But her mom has big eyes, okay? Let's keep it at that. I'm gonna like put some clingy foil. I'm gonna put some clingy foil on top of that and put it in the fridge for her. But at least I got that ready. Look who is awake. Dinner has been cooked. I am now going to prep for Saffie's bedtime. She also had some pasta. She seems to really like it, so that's great. Betty's also home, by the way, but I think I'm gonna like give her bedtime separately from mine, and then I can really enjoy mine when it's my turn. So yeah, now it's Saffie's bedtime. These are Saffie's bath products, the cleansing oil from Mistela and also the Uriage cleansing oil for babies. Since she has really sensitive skin, so I want to be really careful with what I put in her bath. I'm also gonna add some of this Remy. This was recommended to me by her host from her daycare. Hello? Saffie has her bath and she's now drinking her bottle, and I am now going to take my shower, do some self-care and me time, and put on some fresh clean pajamas. I'm already wearing pajamas, but I'm gonna put on other ones. So first thing is taking off my jewelry. I don't know, I don't like showering with any jewelry on. Post shower. It was just a quick little shower today, nothing really fancy. I'm gonna quickly do my skincare. I need to restock on this, but this is my toner. Next up is my serum. It's just for my dark spots and stuff, so. And then the last step is my Caudalie Vinyl Perfect night cream. This is still the old packaging, but they have like a refillable packaging right now. which is even better, but this still works. We're gonna finish this one up first, of course. This is very, very extra, but I'm still filming, so I wanna have my earrings in still, okay? Today is just a day that I'm keeping things really simple because honestly, this is my normal night. Body lotion. Saffie is still awake, she's still not sleeping. And I also haven't had dinner yet, so there's no time to be doing like the most today, and that's okay. Most nights, to be very honest, I'm not doing the most. So these cute jammies are gonna go on my body. Smelling good really makes me feel good. So I'm gonna also do a little body spray. This is the 62 Cheirosa from Sol de Janeiro. And it is with pistachio, vanilla. Just smells so good. Like, I love this. Because I'm extra, I just love for my hair to also smell good. I have my hair perfume that I also like to use at night. And just like some spritzes in there. Smells so good. Okay, I am clean, I'm showered. I hear Saffie complaining in there, so I'm gonna go see what's going on. Maybe have some dinner. So amiga, it is now a little bit later. Benny and Saffie are both in bed. I am getting really tired, but somewhere during the night my nail just, I don't even know when it happened, but the polish just came off. I do gel nails. I have a little kit at home. So I'm going to like quickly retouch and not retouch, just do my nails. And that's going to be my little self-care moment. I have some eye patches that I can put on and basically just chill and do that. I also wanted to do like a little bit of journaling, even if it's just filling out my gratitude journal. So I might also do that still. But yeah. I'm not gonna make it super late because I have like a little errand that I need to do in the morning, and therefore I also didn't want my nails to look ratchet. So it's not super important and it doesn't really matter, but I just want to present myself like correctly, you know. But I'm gonna make my sleep concoction. Yeah, I think that's a good idea because I could use like a good night of sleep tonight. So let's make it. My glass. I think I've said this before, but this is the magnesium that I use. I get these in Germany. Next to this some water. Add some cherry juice. Oops. The packaging says that you should leave them on for 20 to 25 minutes. So I think that's perfect. I'm gonna leave them on while I do my nails. I pray to God that this doesn't take too long because I really don't want that right now. It's also out of the essence that I do a good job because otherwise they're not gonna last long. And these were on my nails for 2 weeks. So I definitely want that again. This thing has all my nail stuff in it. What do I even want to do this time? I don't even know. Okay, I decided that I'm gonna do like a donut glazed nail kind of situation. Therefore, I'm gonna use the nude pink by Jella. And then I have purple chrome powder for the finishing touch. Alright, I finished doing the nails. I have purple chrome on them. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks quite alright. What is this? Let me take these things off. Yeah, they look quite alright, okay? And I don't know if that did anything, but it feels good to at least have that on. And I'm watching Ginny and Georgia from the beginning. I just finished like watching season 3 a few days ago. And I don't know, some things I don't really remember that well, so I'm gonna rewatch everything. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm on episode 2 of season 1 again, and just watch everything because why not? But I'm gonna clean up all my stuff now, and then I'm going to just fill out my gratitude journal, and then I think I'm gonna head to bed because I have to wake up early tomorrow morning to bring Saffie to daycare, and then after that I have my own appointment at 10:40, so I should definitely not be playing and be late. I really don't want to be late. It's really important. So anyways, I am going to, let me go clean this shit up right now. I finished filling out my gratitude journal. I really try to do this as often as possible just because it's such a great way to stand still and think about your day, and also to express more gratitude towards life, because we have so much to be grateful for, and I bet everyone does, but most of the time you don't really think about it that much. So I really like to fill it out, and it really helps so much with how I feel. I feel so great when I do it, and when I read back the things that I'm grateful for or that I was thinking in a certain day. So yeah, just finished doing that, but I think it's time for me to head to bed. I had so much fun filming this video. And just a quick reminder that every night looks different. This was a great night, and sometimes it looks even better, sometimes it does not at all look like this, and that is okay. That's totally fine. It doesn't always have to be perfect. It doesn't always have to be a whole bunch of things. Here's Saffie on the baby phone. But yeah, I feel a little bit delulu. I'm really tired. I think that mocktail is starting to kick in. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a nice comment down below. It will help me out so much. And if you made it up until this point in this video, then make sure to leave a cherry emoji in the comments. Okay, love you so much, amiga, and I hope to see you soon in another one. Bye.